So, dapat sana nag-book ko nito ng cabin namin, kaso wala akong makita ng yung pabalik na bus, puro mahabang route. Yung iba naman sa online, the other ones, they're not available yet. So as early as last year pa ako nagtatry na i-book yung pabalik. Kaya ang ginawa ko, kinancel ko na lang yung cabin namin, yung pinareserve kong cabin dito sa loob mismo ng park. Kasi yung cabin na yun, pwede kang mag-book dito sa loob mismo ng National Park. Meron silang mga chalet, may mga cabin sila, may mga kumitent kang dala siguro. Kasi parang camping yung ginawa namin, yung kinuha ko. Naka-reserve na yun, sana, naka-book na yun. Kinancel ko ulit. So, wala akong choice. I had no choice but to go with a group, to take a group tour, para lang makabalik kami ng parehong balik on the same day. Kasi yung Flixbus lang pwede kong i-book na, pupunta pa sa Dubrovnik. The next day pa ang dating. Kaya kinancel ko siya na kaya iban lang, kaya nag-decide na lang kung group tour. Yung group tour sana, okay sana, kaya lang parang gusto kami na lang na nagbayad na kami ng tour bago umalis ng Vancouver, and then I paid the entrance fee for 70 euro. Tapos kinausap kami ng guide na hindi na kami kasama sa grupo nila, kaya kailangan bayaran siya ng 15, dalawa kami, 15, 50, 30. Sabi ko, why do I have to pay another 30 euro? So it's like 100 euro. Tapos kaya nagsarili lang kami balintin na yun. Pero at least kasama sila sa meron kaming nasasakyan. Inulit na lang namin yung sasakyan namin sa parang binayaran ko lang yung sasakyan namin. Yung sasakyan namin, hindi na yung tour guide. Yan. So, mas malapit siya it's closer to Zagreb. This one, from Zagreb sana, diretso kami dito. Ang kaso, punta ako ng Split. Kita naman kami ng Split. From Split. Kaya yun. So, yeah, if you can drive here from Zagreb or from Split, that would be better because I think their highway, their road is nice too. But if you're driving, it's closer. But if you take the train, it's more far because of the stops along the way. Okay, so yeah, I would suggest this part because it's really nice. Yun lang yung isang gusto yung sabi ka, mag-drive ka na lang, kabayaran mo yung entrance fee. Entrance fee, you can purchase it online. You don't have to buy it here because if they're busy, there's a long line up. And sometimes there's a line up, you line up, and when it gets to your place, to your turn, there's no more ticket. So Mas maganda pa yung ano, yung bumili ka ng online ticket para hindi ka napipila-pila pa.